Math Grade 9 Segment 2 Unit 3 Extending Algebraic Skills begins. Next slide. Words to learn: power and exponent, writing and denoting repeated multiplications, like terms, same variables and exponents, unlike terms, different variables and exponents. Next slide. Examples: translate each sentence to an algebraic expression. See images. 1. Twice the product two different numbers. 2. 3 times a number minus 2. Next slide. Exercises. Translate algebraic expressions. 1. x/4 plus 4, 2. x power 3 plus 8, 3. 2 times x power 2, 4. 100 minus x times 5, 5. Multiply two numbers plus 4. Next slide. Exercises. 6. Is power 3 and 2, 7. Is power 2 and 5, 8. Minus b cubed times k cubed, 9. Minus 5 cubed time minus 3 power 4. Next slide. Exercises. 10. 1 divided by 5 power 4 times m square, 11. Minus 1 divided by 3 cubed times k square, 12. 1/2 power 4 times minus n cube. Next slide. Exercises. Find base area and volume of solids and simplify. 13. Base area is 16 times x square, volume 64 times x cube, 14. Base area 2 times y square and volume 6 times y cube. Next. Exercises. Find base area and volume respectively. 15. Of cube length 1/2 meter is 1/4 meter square and 1/8 meter cube. 16. Of cube length 0.1 k is 0.1 k square and 0.001 k cube. Next slide. Exercises. Find base area and volume. 17. Rectangular prism 2 times its width x is 2x square 8x cube. 18. Triangular prism island 8 north square and volume is 16n cube. Next slide. Exercises. Simplify expressions. 19. m cube times n square, a, 8, b, is 108, 20. Minus b cube times q square, a, minus 72, b, 4. Next slide. Laws of exponents. A power 0 is 1, a power 1 is a power minutes p is 1 divided by a power p. Product of a power m and a power n is power m plus n, a power m divided power n is a power m. Continue. A power m raised to power n is a power product m and n. Product of a and b power m is a power m multiplied b power n, a divided b power m is a power m divided b power m. Next. Exercises. Write expressions in single power positive exponent. 21. y power 8, 22. y power 7, 23. a power 12, 24. a power 7, 25. m power 6, 26. m power 2. Next slide. Exercise. Positive components. 27. Is b, 28. 1 divided b power 6, 29. x power 4, 30. 2 power product of m and n, 31. 3 power x plus 4, 32. Product 2 power 7 and k power 7. Next slide. Exercises. Single power positive exponents. 33. 3 power m plus n divided 5 power m, 34. p divided q square, 35. 2 times product p cube and q square. Continued. 36. b divided by a, 37. Product of 3 power m and x power m minus n, 38. Product of y power m plus 6 and 2 power 6. Next slide. Exercises. Find values of variables. 39. X is 5, 40. X is 10, 41. Y is 4. 42. Y is minus 6, 43. K is 5, 44. K equals 0. Next slide. Exercises. Find values of variables. 45. X is 4, 46. X is 0, 47. P is 3, 48. P is 2, 49. B is 6, 50. B is 4. Next slide. Exercise 51. Whether monomial, binomial, trinomial and coefficients of y square, y, product of xy, and constant respectively. A. Binomial, 4, 0, 0, minus 9, continue, continued. B. Trinomial, 0, minus 9, 3, 7. C. Binomial, 6, minus 2, 0, 0. D. Trinomial 1, minus 3, minus 1, 0. E. Monomial 0, 0, 9, 0. F. Trinomial, minus 6, 4, 0, minus 3, continue. Solve. 52. B plus C plus E is 12xy minus 11 plus 6y square plus 7, for x equals 1 and y equals 5, is 162. 53. F plus a mean news, 4y minus 2y square minus 9xy minus 12, for x 0 and y minus 1 is minus 18. Next. Solve 54. B plus A minus C is 3yx minus 7y minus 2y square minus 2, for x minus 1 and y1, minus 14. 55. E minus F minus D is 10yx minus 4y plus 5y square plus 6, for x minus 3 and y equals 2 is minus 42. Exercises. 56. Perimeters, is 6x square minus 4x, 4, x4 is 80, x5 is 130, x6 is 192, x minus 4 is 112, x minus 5 170, x minus 6 is 240. Next slide. Exercises. 57. Perimeters 60 minus 3y square, 4, y minus 2 is 48, y minus 1 is 57, y0 is 60, y1 is 57, y is 2 is 48, y3 is 33. Next slide. Exercises 58. Perimeters, 2 times y square minus x square plus 2 times y minus x, 4, x equals minus 3 and y4 is 28. X minus 2 and y5 is 56, x equals minus 1 and y6 is 84. Continued. Continue. Perimeter, 4, x equals 0 and y1 is 4, x equals 1 and y equals 2 is 8, x equals 2 and y3 is 12. Next slide. Exercises 59. Perimeter is 9x power 4, 4, x equals 1 is 9. X equals 3 is 729, x equals 4 is 2304. Next slide. Exercises 60. Area, is y power 3, 4, y equals 2 is 8, y equals 3 is 27, y equals 9 is 729. Next slide. Exercises. Rectangle is y and 4 years square, 61a. Area is 4 years cube, 61b. For y4 area is 256, 62a. Sum of Leo and Sue earning is x square plus 3x plus 3, 62b. y5 total is 43. Next slide. Exercises. 63a. Earnings of Mr. and Mrs. White are m square minus m plus 7, 63b. For M6 total is 37, 63c. White turns 12 and Mrs. White 15, higher is Mrs. White's. Next slide. Exercises 64.a. Tiffany garden measurements are half times product of y power m square plus product of 4xy square and m square, 64b. The area is 160 meters square. Next slide, exercises, 65.a. For watermelon 4.8 kilograms at 60 cents per kg, to pay 2.88 n square plus 1.52 n. 65b. For n equals 1.5, amount is $8.76.